Here's the firewall grommet. What a lot of people do is just take a screwdriver and poke a hole through the grommet. I chose to remove the electrical tape wrapped around the wiring harness. You can see I got a big enough gap right there to squeeze one more power wire through the firewall, and then I'm going to electrical tape it back up.
Got it. Turning on the garage.
Please get out of my way.
All right, so here is the main boot that goes through the firewall. Some people just jab a screwdriver through there and then feed the wire through. I'm going to unravel the electrical tape around the wiring harness and shove the wiring through the actual boot itself. As you can see, I already did this before with the switches to my light bars. If you can see now, I got the electrical tape removed, and there's a big enough gap where I could shove another wire or two through. All right, before we go any further, we have to locate the firewall entrance underneath the wire gas pedal and do the same thing, remove the electrical tape around the grommet and the wiring harness that's already going through. All right, it doesn't look too bad. Now that the electrical tape has been removed from the boot, I've got my stick rounded off the end so I don't jab or poke anything sensitive like the wiring harness. Got my auxiliary power cable. And I'm also going to be running a PA speaker cable through the firewall. I'm going to electrical tape these on and start pulling. This cable should be pretty easy because it's slim. This PA jack, I'm going to try to tape at the bottom to keep it narrow in diameter. So give my cable some slack, push it in. I'm feeling a little tension, so now I'm going to check the other side and see where it's at. Please bear with me, this is a little difficult to film. So this would be our stick that we're poking through the firewall. Looks like I'll just push it back a little bit. I'm gonna open this rubber boot and try to pull it forward. I'll pull it out. If you have two people, this might help things out a little bit.
Oh shit.
Oh! Alright, so the power cable went through, but I lost the PA cable. So instead of electrical tape, I'm going to use Gorilla Tape Extra Strength. Hopefully this will stay down better than electrical tape. Now this should be able to pull through. Help! All right. Well, that was fun. Unravel this cable. That's going to be super stuck. Gorilla tape is strong as woo! Boom. All right. And for right now, cover the cable. And we'll place that down here for right now until I'm ready to come back to it. And just making sure I have enough length. Boom. All right. It's all tight on there. I'm going to put them right here for right now. Alright, so I got the auxiliary power cable coming through the center console. I also have the PA speaker coming through the center console. Either today or tomorrow I'm going to remove this and the cup holder and run the power cable to the CB radio / police scanner. But I got a few more things to wire up first.
Microphone check 1 2. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Please get out of my way.
Shut off the garage.
Sure, turning off the garage.